CleanMyMac X chases junk in all corners of your macOS. It cleans unneeded files, like outdated caches, broken downloads, logs, and useless localizations. You can remove tons of clutter that lurks in iTunes, Mail, Photos, and even locate gigabytes of large hidden files. Features include: Number 1, free up gigabytes of space. Number 2, speed up your Mac. Number 3, uninstall unwanted apps. Number 4, keep your online activity private. Number 5, stay malware free. Number 6, shred files so that they are unrecoverable. In one drag to the edge, you size a window into half of your screen. And by dragging windows to the corners, you snap them into quarters. Slide them to the bottom edge of your display to create thirds. Do the same on your ultra-wide monitor and arrange windows into sixths. Taking advantage of such arrangements eliminates app switching and greatly enhances workspace efficiency. Magnet supports keyboard shortcuts as well. For every command it has to offer, there is that little icon sitting in the menu bar where you can find a predefined set or create yours. Simplify and improve drag and drop on your Mac and speed up your daily workflow. Moving or copying files can be cumbersome. You have to keep the mouse button pressed for the drag, while trying to navigate to the destination of your files. Why not let Yoink hold those files for you? Step 1, drag files you'd like to move or copy to Yoink. Step 2, with your mouse free, navigate more easily and quickly to the destination of your files. Step 3, drag the files out of Yoink to where they are supposed to go. Smart Converter Pro provides a faster, higher quality conversion than every other converter. It's so smart, only converts stuff that needs converting, and leaves the rest alone. This means it's very fast and maintains the highest possible quality of video and audio. Simple to use. Drag, drop and click convert. Smart Converter Pro looks after the rest. Movie and TV show info. Automatically add key info and artwork for your movies and TV shows. Folder monitoring. Automatically convert movies as they are added to nominated folders. Subtitles. Include subtitles. Add external subtitles and even load subtitles from the web. Supports hundreds of media formats and converts to all your favorite devices and file types, including Apple TV, iPad, iPhone, Smart TV, PS3 and more. iTunes Savvy. Auto-import your converted movies and music to iTunes. DriveDX will protect you from data loss and downtime. With DriveDX you need not worry about losing your important data, music, and photographs. You can know before your drive is going to fail, because DriveDX tracks more indicators of impending failure than any other product on the market for both SSDs and HDDs. Key features: Advanced Drive Health Diagnostics, Drive Failing, Pre-Fail, State Detection, Real-time drive health monitoring, early warning system, drive self-tests, modern SSDs and HDDs support, drive free space monitoring, drive key metrics evaluation. From the first document you select, PDF Expert springs into action with smooth scrolling and fast search. Select the most relevant layout to quickly accomplish your task. Whether you compare 100-page contracts or read a short article, PDF Expert is the best PDF writer for Mac. You can easily edit text, images and links. It will automatically detect the font, size, and opacity of the original text, so you can make edits easily. Easily fill out PDF forms such as applications or tax forms. Sign contracts with a personal, legally binding electronic signature in a few clicks. Softorino YouTube Converter 2 is a YouTube converter audio downloader and a ringtone maker. The whole world of videos, music and ringtones awaits you. Just a click away. SIC 2 is an ultimate YT downloader. Convert YouTube to MP3, MP4 for iPhone or any Apple device ever created. Apart from YouTube, the application supports more than 60 popular sources. It's the most seamless way to fill your iPhone with entertainment. Launchy 2 is a lightweight menu bar app launcher. You can add shortcuts to as many apps as you want directly in the menu bar or access them using a full customizable menu. You can arrange your apps into categories, manage your favorites list and customize directories in which Launchy should look for apps. Launchy 2 also lets you set keyboard shortcuts to launch apps on your Mac or even a whole categories. CopyClip is the simplest and most efficient clipboard manager for your Mac. Running discreetly from your menu bar, this app stores all that you have copied or cut in the past, allowing you to quickly find that snippet of text you've been looking for. Amphetamine can keep your Mac, and optionally its display, awake through a super simple on-off switch, or automatically through easy to configure triggers. Amphetamine is extremely powerful and includes advanced features for those who need them, yet remains super intuitive and simple to use for those who don't need all the bells and whistles.